Are you struggling with an error while trying to use glad.h in your code? It can be really frustrating when things don't work as expected, especially when you're eager to get your project up and running. Today, we're going to tackle the error that says, OpenGL Header Already Included. Remove this include, Glad already provides it. I totally get it. You sit down to code and suddenly an error pops up that makes you question everything. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar issues when working with OpenGL and glad.h. Let's dive into the specific situation. One user reached out saying they are using Visual Studio 2013 and encountered the error message when including glad.h. They also shared the headers they are including, which are glad.h, glfw3.h, and iostream. Sound familiar? Let's figure this out together. So what does this error mean? Essentially, it indicates that the OpenGL header has already been included in your project. Glad.h is designed to handle OpenGL functions, so including the OpenGL header again causes a conflict. Understanding this is key to resolving the issue. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to avoid similar issues in the future. You won't want to miss it. To resolve the error regarding the OpenGL header, the user should first check the order of their includes. The glad.h header must be included before any OpenGL headers. Next, the user should ensure that they are not including any OpenGL headers directly in their code. This means removing any lines that include OpenGL headers like gl.h or glue.h. After adjusting the includes, the user should verify that the glad loader is properly initialized in their code. This is crucial for OpenGL functions to work correctly. Finally, the user should rebuild their project in Visual Studio to apply the changes. This will help ensure that the new settings take effect. Fun fact, did you know that OpenGL was originally developed in the early 1990s? It's amazing how far graphics programming has come since then, but sometimes the old issues still haunt us. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution is to include the glad header before the glfw header. This is important because glfw checks for OpenGL headers included before it and disables its default OpenGL header if it finds one. By including glad first, you avoid the error. If you want more control, you can define glfw include none to prevent glfw from including the OpenGL header automatically. Here's a quick tip. Always check your includes when you encounter similar errors. Keeping your code clean and organized can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. By ensuring you only include the necessary headers, you should be able to resolve that pesky error. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips. And remember, coding is all about learning and growing, so keep at it.